This video is going to show you how to set up the Smeg Espresso coffee machine for the first use. Firstly, to switch on the machine, press the power button on the side of the appliance. While the machine heats up, the lights will flash intermittently. Once it's reached temperature, the lights will remain constant. Next, fill the tank with water. This can be done in situ, or alternatively, you can remove the water tank and take to the sink for filling. Fill up with 1 litre of fresh, clean water. Return to the back of the coffee machine and ensure it's clicked firmly into place. And then return the lid. Next, take your filter holder and select your filter of choice. You can choose from double shot, single shot, or paper pod. The filter needs to be firmly pushed into the filter holder. Using the scoop provided, fill the filter with finely ground coffee. Using the tamp on the end of the scoop, gently press down to evenly distribute the coffee. Align the filter holder with the arrow going upwards on the machine and twist into place. Place your cup of choice onto the drip tray, or alternatively, if you'd like to make a longer coffee or use a larger glass or mug, you can remove the drip tray on the bottom to place in your larger cup. You're now ready to make your first cup of coffee. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.